Hi everyone. Uh, so we are here to discuss about the CCNA certification, and CCNA is a Cisco certification, which stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. So we are going to see what is exactly CCNA. Okay, so let's go ahead. So this is a guide. I'll share the link in the description so you can see here. It has an overview of CCNA. So first, CCNA is Cisco Certified Networking Associate. Okay, and when you clear the CCNA exam, okay, so you guys can become an infrastructure engineer, network engineer, IT specialist, network technician, network system administrator, and some business roles in the IT organization if you have any old experience. And yes, we like if anybody goes for the CCNA, he or she could go for the sales and marketing, also like selling the routers switches in big organizations. So when we go ahead and what comes in CCNA, so there are major topics in CCNA exam. So the topics are from network fundamentals, network access, IP connectivity, IP services, security fundamentals, and automation and programmability. So these are the wide sections like network fundamentals and all. Okay, so as you all know, like according to the report, 80%, 87% of IT professional hold at least one certification. So it is going to be like 85. It was 85 in 2019, which were 89 in 2000. So it always varies. But yes, if you see, the demand is getting more and more, and 99% of organizations surveyed use technical certifications to make hiring decisions. Means many companies are looking for the certifications. So this is not only for USA, Canada, or some Western countries. Definitely, if you are from India, many companies are looking for certifications in India also. Okay, so this is a poster you guys can see here. So Cisco has wide variety of certifications starting from this associate level. There is a one certification in the entry level also, which is called a Cisco Certified Technician. But many people directly go for the CCNA. Okay, so this is more popular CCNA. The exam code is 20301, and after that you guys can go for the professional level. So in the professional level, we have many certifications like CCNP Enterprise, which is the most popular one after CCNA. But yes, many people are going for the network automation, which is a DevNet professional. Okay, and there is a CCNP collaboration where you work for IP phones and all. So this CCNA and CCNP Enterprise majorly, it has many courses. We will discuss this in CCNP video. But you can see there are a lot of CCNP like CCNP collaboration, CCNP data center, CCNP security, CCNP service provider, and CCNP cyber ops professional. And there is expert level exam also, which is called CCIE, which is obviously not for freshers. But yes, if you have around 4 to 5 years of industry experience, then you guys can go for the CCIE certification. So this is like in CCI Enterprise Infrastructure. After CCNP Enterprise, we can go for CCI Enterprise Infrastructure. There is a wireless CCI collaboration, CCI data center, CCI security. So this is all in all, you can say that the career starts from this associate level. So let me open my pen tablet. Okay, yeah. So you guys can see here, this is the first level. This is what we call the professional level, which is like second level. And this is the top level, which is third level. Okay. So this is all. So let's go ahead back. Sorry. There are some vocabulary parts, like you are going to learn these things, okay, in the CCNA. So I'm You guys can check this PDF. But yes, in short, what we learn in CCNA, that is purely like configurations of router and switches, and where many companies are hiring for those guys. Okay, so where to prepare for the CCNA certification? Okay, this is another book. First of all, why to get certified. Okay, so 13 reasons for seeking training and certification. So first of all, why got certified? So we live in exciting times to be working in technology, and where many companies are demanding for certifications. This is why we should go for it. Okay, so this is a survey from US, where like in 2020, 9,500 technology professionals are examined, and they have cleared the certification, and they got around $13,000 increase in their salaries. Okay, yes, there is no data for India, but yes, it always gives a boost in your career. Okay, so the first point to get certified is to knowledge. Okay, so the systematic study of your field, like if you're going for CCNA or for any other certification, it will actually increase your knowledge. Okay, so and after that, the skill is going to add. You can put in your resume, because whenever we make a resume, we just do not say that we have done CCNA. We try to add topics in your resumes, like you can mention about routing, switching, IP subnetting, IP addressing schemes, firewalls, power over Ethernet. So whatever you learn, you guys can add those skills into your resume. Okay, so this is what we call, you will enhance skills. Okay, so and the best part is also, guys, like many people will get a badge. Okay, it will give a recognition in the industry. You can put the badges in your resume. Okay, so the certification has a badge or logo which you can put in your resume, which will actually boost your selection. Okay. Okay, so many companies are actually trust more on you. Okay, because with the validation, it goes with the credibility also. Okay, so if you achieve a very good certification, it'll help you to have a good connection with your managers, with good connection with your clients. Okay, so credibility definitely increases with the certification. So responsibility. So yes, obviously more power comes with more responsibilities. The same way, like when you go for the certifications, companies will actually trust you and will give you more responsibility things, so that you will learn a lot. Okay, so you can see there is an example, the Devon, he introduced about Cisco switches and wireless. Okay, so after the Cisco certification, after achieving his certification, he became the go-to guy for all Cisco things in the company. Means people actually are trusting him to configure the Cisco devices. So obviously I'm a Cisco certified from last 11 years. I have seen a lot confidence in me whenever I used to give the interviews. When you say that you are a CCNA, CCNP certified, it gives a more reward, and definitely it gives you more confidence that you have achieved something in your life. Okay. Also, it is going to add more value in your resume. It is going to all those good things like knowledge, skill, validation, okay, confidence. It will actually increase the value as a successful performer in the eyes of employers and customers. So all these examples or the reviews people, this Cisco PDF has added here, so you can check anytime. Okay, so it also gives versatility. Okay, it means you will not only configure routers, you will be able to work on switches also. Maybe sometimes you work on wireless technologies, sometimes you work on firewalls, right? So obviously you keep doing the certification. Obviously you will not learn all the things in CCNA, but yes, CCNA will give you very good exposure to work on the network devices. Okay, it will definitely gives more opportunities, as many companies are using Cisco devices, so they need more Cisco professionals. And this is why the companies are hiring the certified and non-certified Cisco engineers. Okay, the same line, hireability, like time and time again, we hear that certification is one of those assets that employer automatically look for when it come time to seek out the new talent. Obviously, suppose I have a HR in my team, and if I'm hiring a network engineer, I will ask my HR to please select the certified guys, because we do not want to take interviews of 100 guys. Okay, how to filter it out? Suppose if I'm posting a job on any job portal where I need a network engineer, so maybe 100 or 200 or maybe 500 guys will apply on that job, but I want only genuine guys. How I am going to filter it out? So many companies filter because they do not have time to take interviews of 500 those who have applied for the job. So they just take an interview of 30-40 guys who are actually certified, or maybe the guys who have good resume, right? So obviously certification gives more advantage. Okay, so it gives more advancement also, like being certified get you noticed by your employer, who is more likely to remember your initiative when making decisions about your promotion. So whenever if you are looking for promotion and if you get certified, definitely the managers or the senior team members, those who are going to review, you can always say that you have achieved some certification. So many companies are actually boosting candidates to go for the certifications. Okay, obviously the last second point is the salary is always going to increase because you learn more, obviously you earn more. Okay, more money can follow if you get certified. So Cisco certifications or any IT certifications come with lifelong learning. Since technology and the innovation evolve so quickly, it is increasing, or technology changes oftenly. Okay, so it's important that you stay ahead of the latest advancements. Means you have to update yourself that you are actually certified and you want to get more skills in your resume. Okay, so this is all in all, like it is giving knowledge, skill, validation, okay, credibility, confidence. So it gives a lot much information. So here we are. So as you all know, like CCNA is getting certified is important, and when you go for the CCNA certification from the associate level, it gives a good exposure. So if you want to get certified in CCNA and if you are looking for the best training vendor with lab access, so you guys can follow us on nwkings.com, and so nwkings.com is our website. So you can just open this website and you can book your free live session. The first free class you can attend and see the experience. So there is a CCNA 200, 301, CCNP and all the programs we have. So you can start with the CCNA program. So we have also added the information in the website. So you guys can follow this, and we have also added what we cover, and we always follow the Cisco standards, and we give also all trainings are from network specialist or maybe from network experts. Okay, so thank you all.